Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of The Moderns. For this episode we have set number 60091, Deep Sea Starter Set. Comes with 90 pieces, looks like it comes with 3 minifigures as well as a shark figure, a little submarine. If you go to the back here, just shows our 3 minifigures, little submarine action there, and just a couple little play scenes. So let's crack this open and let's see what we got inside. Okay, looks like we have 2 bags of pieces, small instruction manual, so this should probably go pretty quick. Let's get to building and see what we get here. Alright, so now we got this all together. Small set, pretty small review here. 3 minifigures, all pretty basic. This guy does have a pretty big apparatus for scuba diving, so that's kind of cool. Just a little play feature here with some undersea vegetation, as well as the box with the treasure in it, because most of the time when you're dealing with these underwater scenes, there's treasure. And then just a little vehicle here. Little remote controlled submarine, which yeah, I mean, build looks alright. Overall I give it a thumbs up. For a $10 set, it's great. So if anybody wants to purchase this, I'll link it down below to Amazon so you can go buy it. And that's going to be it for today's episode of The Moderns. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.